All right, so here I'm going to talk about finding the perimeter of a shape. So the perimeter is just the distance around the shape, um, on the outside of that shape. And it doesn't matter, like you can have a shape like boop, 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 and it could even be some inside lines, right? Like that. Well, the perimeter is only this distance right here. So in blue here, I'm going to go around the perimeter, all the way around. Okay, and so that is the perimeter. These inner parts are not the perimeter. So just to be clear on that. And so keeping that in mind, the perimeter is distance around. Okay, so we can find the perimeter of shapes, where we don't always have all the information listed. So for example, given a square, all right, if I know that this square is a square with side length of 4, well, I know that these other side lengths are also going to be 4 because part of being a square is that all sides are the same length. And so the perimeter would be 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. We just add up all the side lengths. And if it's the same side lengths, we could also just obviously multiply that 4 by, well, there's 4 4s, so 4 times 4. Anyways, they both get to 16. All right, so that's the perimeter of just a basic shape. You might see something where it's a little bit, like beyond just like a square or rectangle. You might have an odd shape. So, all right, so this shape here, well, I can find the perimeter here. And I can even do that maybe if I don't have all the information. So let's say this is 10. These are all 90-degree angles. All right, this is 8. Actually, I'm going to make this one. It's going to be 6. It's going to be 2, 2. Okay, so I can find the perimeter here. Well, a couple things. One, since these are all 90-degree angles, and then I know that these two lines, oh, I'm missing something here. Let's say this is 4. Okay, so I can fill in these missing side lengths, like that side length. I don't know. But since 90-degree angles, I know that this side length is also going to be 10. I got my baby coming in. You can hear him screeching. And then these are parallel, and they have 90-degree angles here. So this is going to be 4 as well. And then look, this is a side length of 6. Therefore, this whole length has to be 6. I got 2 and 2. This has to be what's left over. So we got 2 plus 2 is 4. That means there's 2 left over. And so now I have all the different side lengths. And so that perimeter, it's going to be, what, 10. Starting here, I'll just kind of work my way around. I like to be organized here. So 10 plus 6 plus 10 plus 2 plus 4. You don't want to miss anything. Plus 2 plus 4 plus 2. And then I started here at that 10. So that's everything now. And it's important to just kind of work your way around in order, make sure you don't miss anything. It's easy to get these problems wrong because you overlook something simple, and that gets frustrating. So take your time, be organized, and it'll take less time in the long run. All right, now we just add these up. So I got, well, I can do it in my head. So 26, 28, 32, 34, 38, and 40. So the perimeter of this shape is 40. All right, so that's given a weird shape with some missing piece of information. Remember, the original problem, we didn't have this, we didn't have that, and we didn't have that, and we were still able to figure out what these missing side lengths were, and then figure out the perimeter. So you can do a lot here. It's just a little bit of problem solving. I hope this helps.